Mega photos plus images fast with ChatGPT-4 plus Midjourney. What happens when you combine Midjourney's creative AI system with the complex advancements and capabilities that GPT-4 has to offer? Stay tuned to find out. In this day and age, there are hundreds of different organizations that develop and invest in artificial intelligence. Society is becoming more advanced to the point that AI has become a staple when it comes to various technological applications in our daily lives. AI is becoming more in demand, especially in workplaces that incorporate various digital applications in their system. One prominent company that has continuously pushed the boundaries of what is possible with AI is OpenAI. They are an artificial intelligence company that specializes specifically in artificial general intelligence. They are also the ones who developed the famous text processing chatbot that has been making waves in social media, namely ChatGPT. In line with this video, they are also the ones who are currently developing GPT-4 for public access. GPT-4 is a direct upgrade of ChatGPT, where not only can it process text, but it can also process images and generate more human-like responses. Considering how advanced GPT-4's processing is, it is certainly very capable of working with another AI program, which we'll be delving into in this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to Amazing AI, where we talk about all things AI and all related technology to it. With GPT-4 slowly making its way towards its public release to the market, it can be a game changer to various aspects in society. It can help out in workplaces, organization tasks, and even creative endeavors. And with how advanced it is, it can also be incorporated with other programs which can help it reach its full potential. One such program that we'll be exploring in this video is Midjourney V5, a generative AI program that turns text prompts into full-fledged images. Combining the forces of GPT-4 and Midjourney V5 can possibly unleash the true potential of AI-generated art. So if you've wondered what would happen if we took the problem-generating prowess of GPT-4 and merged it with the art-generating capabilities of Midjourney 5, well, we're about to find out. And in order for us to provide you with more AI content that interests you, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this video, we'll witness how these two powerful AI systems work together to create hyper-realistic images with just a few simple prompts. But before we dive in, it's crucial to remember that GPT-4 has a limited knowledge base up until September 2021. Although it does learn at a rapid pace and can incorporate various new information into its system, it still needs a lot of information to do so. We need to educate GPT-4 on what Midjourney is, its capabilities, and the parameters involved when creating prompts. There are dozens of information in regards to this, especially on different websites that provide content about it. A lot of people have already tried Midjourney, so you can also use some of the input and experiences when it comes to educating GPT-4. You can also just directly go to Midjourney's website if you're looking for the more in-depth processes that Midjourney has. With all the information that you have researched, input or copy-paste all of it into GPT-4. It would be better if you could organize all those information first before inputting it. This will allow GPT-4 to understand the intricacies of Midjourney and the specific prompts we want to use. By doing this, GPT-4 becomes more proficient in generating image requests, saving us valuable time and effort. The more information that you have researched, the better. GPT-4 is similar to Midjourney in that way, where it produces better results if the primary information is more detailed. Now that we have inputted all our research, let's put this newly educated GPT-4 to the test. And if you want even further confirmation, you can also ask GPT-4 if it has understood the research that you have inputted. Our first request is for a hyper-realistic portrait of a cowboy. So just type in generate a prompt for, a hyper-realistic portrait of a cowboy, and watch as GPT-4 efficiently generates a detailed request for Midjourney to work its magic. And there you have it, a detailed text prompt ready for Midjourney to process. It even adds super specific camera details too. Now, with the prompt generated by GPT-4, we'll head over to Midjourney and enter the request into Discord using the /imagine command. It's just a simple matter of copy-pasting the prompt. In just a few moments, Midjourney delivers stunning results, hyper-realistic cowboy portraits with incredible attention to detail. It generates a few images with different angles so you can have options to choose from. And with how detailed and realistic the images are, it can really seem that they are real people instead of AI generated. So, how are you enjoying the process so far? It can seem a bit complicated at first, but integrating the functions of GPT-4 with Midjourney can become pretty easy. How about you? Will you be using these two programs for your own activities? Let us know in the comments below. Now back to the video. As the images continue to impress, we move on to different themes. How about we try requesting a hyper-realistic retro house party? Or a brooding guy in the 2000s? And how about we try a futuristic Lamborghini in year 2100? The prompts can probably become more unique with how weirdly you phrase your prompts. Just have fun and experiment with different prompts if you want something more specific. You can even check out dozens of websites and other resources filled with different prompts from other people. Each time we generate new ideas, GPT-4 and Midjourney combine to produce remarkable and convincing images surpassing our expectations. With how creative and advanced these AI are, they can continually improve on their work and therefore create better outputs for our creative endeavors. Throughout the video, we discuss how the process works and how GPT-4 helps generate detailed prompts that Midjourney uses to create AI art. The combination of GPT-4's understanding and Midjourney's powerful image generation capabilities revolutionizes the way we approach art and photography. Integrating both of these applications together can be a great help to people who are looking for inspiration when it comes to creative endeavors. You can even just create prompts that can serve as a basis or inspiration when creating art, shooting photos at different angles, or even if you just want to have fun with the applications. In conclusion, the collaboration between GPT-4 and Midjourney V5 is a game changer for AI-generated art. By educating GPT-4 about Midjourney, we train it to create realistic and visually stunning prompts, streamlining the entire image generation process. The ability to quickly and efficiently request hyper-realistic art opens up to endless possibilities for artists, designers, and creatives across various fields. As GPT-4 further advances and improves, then so will the prompts created by Midjourney. What's even more exciting is that this is just the beginning. With how fast AI is advancing, more programs and applications related to AI will pop out eventually. As OpenAI makes GPT-4 more accessible to the community, more program combinations will soon come to fruition. Here at Amazing AI, we always make sure to provide you with the news and other updates in relation to this field of knowledge. If you want to stay tuned to what the Amazing AI channel has yet to offer, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.